the first lesson we have today is greetings. Greetings in Tagalog is pagbati. I would like to say something about my lesson, my first lesson. You are a beginner. I often required my student to speak more often in Tagalog, more practice. I will not go to the second lesson if you are not mastered the first lesson. And every time we have a 15 minutes review of the past lesson. And before I
Okay.
do, and
That's great.
before for next lesson, because we have account of Skype, I will send you a vocabulary that we are going to use for the next lesson for you to
Okay.
familiarize. So that's easy
Okay.
for you to learn. Okay, so let's go back. Now,
Okay.
the very first lesson always is kumusta ka? Meaning, kumusta ka? There are two meaning in English. Hi, hello, or how.
Kumusta ka, Vivian?
Yes, and then I will answer. Mabuti naman. Meaning of mabuti naman, I'm fine.
Uh,
Ako, meaning me. I.
me.
I. I am Vivian. Ako si Vivian. Okay. I will add some words. Ikinagagalak kung makilala ka. Meaning, it's nice to meet you. Naiintindihan. Do you understand? Naintindihan mo?
Opo.
Naintindihan mo. Meaning, do you understand? Mo and ka. Mo and ka is still you. Okay.
Okay.
Ako and ko. Ako and ko is me. Still me. Me. Mo
Uh,
and ka is you. Okay? Now. And then you will answer me. Opo. Naiintindihan ko. And then you will answer me. Ako rin, Vivian. Me too. Ako rin. Ako rin, Vivian. Ikinagagalak kong makilala. Kumusta ka po? Ako po si Vivian. When you convey a polite manner. Okay. Ikinagagalak ko kung makilala ka. Ikinagagalak ko po ka yung makilala. I will write.
oh,
Kumusta ka? I will be the one to say and you will respond to me. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, Faisal?
uh, mabuti naman.
And then how would you say in a polite manner?
Mabuti naman po.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Mabuti naman po. Second, next lesson, before we start, we will review again that one. Okay,
Okay.
because I want to review and practice you speaking that so that you will not forget. Because
Uh,
if I made a lesson and then the next lesson is new and then I will not practice and review the past, you will forget because
true. Mhm.
because you know a new language for us is very hard. It's really very hard
True.
to adapt. It's not our mother tongue, so it's hard for us. But if we have more practice, we can do it. When I was in college, we have a Spanish subject. Hola,
Ah,
buenos dias.
buenos días.
Buenos dias. Lo siento ayer. I'm sorry
Ah,
yesterday.
está
Because
bien, no te preocupes. Todo bien, pasa
I,
nada.
yes, you know, Filipino, especially the old ones like us, we have a Spanish subject before.
Subject.
Yes, we
Okay.
are in our curriculum, but in new generation they abolish the Spanish
Okay.
because before during the Spanish times, most of the people here know how to speak Spanish. Even my mother, even my grandma knows how to speak Spanish,
Oh, wow.
and we have a blood of Spanish.
Mhm.
Welcome. You're very much welcome. In
Salamat po.
yes, is magandang araw. Magandang umaga.
Maganda.
Magandang tanghali. Magandang hapon is good afternoon. Good day. Good day.
Magandang araw.
Good morning.
Magandang umaga.
Good afternoon.
Magandang hapon.
Yes. Good evening is magandang gabi. Naintindihan?
Opo, na iintindihan ko po.
Okay. So, let's practice. You know, ready? How about magandang umaga? How would you answer me? Magandang umaga rin po.
Rin po. Because of umaga. Because of
Umaga.
A.
A is a vowel sound. Okay.
Rin po.
Oh, naintindihan?
Opo.
Naintindihan.
Kumusta ka? Ako si Faisal. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka.
Very good. I think it's hard to watch a video when you're learning. You need,
Exactly. I don't understand it. I won't be understanding anything without any rules. Yeah. If I don't know the rules,
so this is the first time that you know the rule.
Yeah.
So you're happy.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying in our lesson?
Yeah, I'm enjoying. Yeah.
This is a rule. We use rin and the din. There is a rule here. How we will do it? Which one we were going to use? Now, in English, if I say to you, good morning, Faisal, you will answer me, good morning too, Vivian, right? In Tagalog there is a rule. If ends, say for example, gabi, gabi is ends in vowel, right?
Yeah.
Vowel. If ends in vowel, you will use rin.
Okay.
If it ends in consonant like hapon. Hapon ends in consonant, you will use din.
Okay.
Yes. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Faisal.
Magandang gabi rin po, Vivian.
Okay. I'm happy. You got it.
Yeah.
This our first lesson is greeting, but we have not yet through of the greetings, huh? We will have the second lesson we will touch the salamat, thank you, and then paalam, saying goodbye.
Goodbye.
And then excuse me. The three kinds of excuse me, the patawad, paumanhin, and the pasensya. But excuse me, excuse me is sorry, right? Excuse me and sorry in English. In Tagalog, we have three. Mawalang galang is excuse me. Paumanhin can be excuse me. Pasensya can be sorry. Patawad can be sorry. So I will explain that to you on our next lesson. So, magandang araw sa iyo, Kenneth. Nice to meet you here in italki. I'm happy to have you as my students. My review to you is you are very attentive, very fast learner, and maybe you have that huge interest in learning Tagalog. That's why you are a fast learner. So thank you very much. How about you cannot follow the rules in English in constructing sentence Tagalog because different. Like
exactly. Like verb is at the end of the sentences sometimes beginning. Yeah, like that.
And then sometimes the pronoun in English is at the first sentence. Our pronoun is sometimes at the end of the sentence. So they said it's very hard for them to connect how it goes. So level 4.
Because they're translating English into Tagalog. That's why this is happening. Yeah.
Okay. That's it. So the Tagalog is different. How to construct a sentence in English is different. So maybe we need to someone will guide, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Now, my students is I tailor my lesson. It depends on their needs. Like you is a beginner, so I start from number 1. Some are level 3, level 4, so it's different. Level 4, level 5, we need a movie viewing. I send them a link, and then on their home, they need to see the video, and then when they come back, tell me the story if you really understand. Or there are some words that they cannot understand. So that is the words that we will explain and use it often. Practice speaking that word. So by this time, because practicing for me is a more conversation, is you can, yes, but if I teach and I teach no practice, no conversation, I think it's not work.
Yeah, exactly. You're right.
It will not work really. So nice to meet you.
Kinagagalak kong makilala ka.
Ako rin, Faisal, ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. So, see you again next time. See you again meaning hanggang sa muli.
Hanggang sa muli.
Hanggang sa muli meaning see you again. Again, hanggang sa muli.
Hanggang sa muli.
See you again. Okay?
Hanggang sa muli. Okay. Ingat.
See you.
Ingat.
Hanggang sa muli. Hanggang sa muli.
Yes.
Paalam. Paalam meaning
Paalam.
goodbye.
Paalam.
Okay.
Maraming salamat.
Yes, maraming salamat din. Meaning, thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Ingat, right? Take care. Ingat.
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 Marunong ka, marunong. You know already some. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So, bye-bye. Paalam.
Paalam.
Hanggang sa muli.
Hanggang sa muli.